Well, good morning. I'm Daniel.
And I'm Carla.
I'm Carla.
I'm Daniel.
We are Hoovers on the Move.
Hoovers on the Move.
Hoovers on the Move. Good afternoon. We are Hoovers on the Move. As you may know, I am Daniel.
And I am Carla. Stay tuned. Right after this commercial. Boop.
This is us. Let's go check it out. Normal lights does not require the card. That's nice. We'll start here at the bathroom. Go through there. Standard shower, which is really works out pretty good. Haven't really had a problem with it. It's got the natural little green granite looking stuff. And you got shelves on both sides, 3 shelves, and then you got your little soap shelf down there. Got your little vanity mirror. Got your trash can, extra stuff over there. So then we'll come into the room, and you got a big vanity mirror. Let's see, let's get some light on the subject. There you go. If that's not bright enough to light you up, I don't know what is. Hi. So you got your phone, you got your 220 plug here, European plug as they call it, and then you got your regular. That looks like it's going to be the only plug here, so it might be advisable to have a strip, yeah. Got you a couple of towels for your swimming. You got your stool, your trash can. Got your drawer, of course, with your little hair dryer. And then 3 more drawers. There's your paperwork for if you're doing laundry while you're on the ship. So, and this one's a little bit deeper than the others. And then we'll come around here, check out some artwork. Got your little lamps with your tables beside the bed. Got a little storage down there. There are no plugs around here. You also have a main light switch behind your pillows here that turns off all the lights. You got that little light, it's so cute. There's your bed. That's with the 2 beds put together. If you're sleeping separate, they would actually separate these 2 beds and move around the little side cabinets here. Same thing on this side as the other side. And more artwork. Get Mr. Hardware. There's my favorite. Then you got all of the safety stuff going on the TV. You got your 2 bottles of water. Now these 2 that are in the room are a cost.
A $4.50.
Yes. So if you drink that, you paying that. Then we got a cabinet down here. It's got your safe back in there, and if you close the safe, it's actually got a little shelf there. You can actually put some other stuff. Then you got your ice box. Goes one way or the other. Here we go. And it is cold.
They're vented now, so
make sure you check on that now. See the vents over here. Used to, you have to leave your cabinet door open for a little bit. But make sure you check on that when you get into your room, so that way you can go ahead and get your steward to get somebody on that. Got the full length mirror, even for me. And then you got 3 shelves, well 4 shelves if you count the bottom one, right there. Next, mother.
Vanna White over here.
Yeah, da-da. There's you some hangers for your hang up stuff. Now we had to put our bags in here because they're still working on our room.
So suitcases aren't included?
Yeah, suitcases not included. Bag not included.
That's for the room steward.
That's for the room steward. We got him some little goodies in there. Shh.
It's a secret. Oh, and then you have this.
And then we got a 3rd one, which is also for long hang up stuff.
And life jackets.
And life jackets.
So,
And behind the door,
True is your emergency instructions, so make sure you know where to go.
your mustard and all that stuff. Yeah. Here's your little thermostat here, which
I've already
stays
set
on
it.
freezing.
Freezing.
And that would conclude this room tour.
Of an interior. So.
Of an interior room
Yes, with no bunk beds or anything. This one does not. It is just set up for 2 people.
on Carnival Dream,
Yep.
7th floor.
Let's go.
It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it.